How to redeem Indigo gift card online. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then in the source bar, search for www.indigo.com. It will land you on the official page of Indigo. Now enter your email address and the password of your account. And once you are logged into your account, you will be landing on this page. In order to use the gift card, you will need to purchase any of the product. So let me tap on this one. Tap on Add to Cart. And then click on View Cart at the right. Right here it says, how would you like to get your order? Select the option as per your need. And then tap on Proceed to checkout. Now make sure of your shipping address. And then tap on Continue. In this page, you will need to select your payment method and do the payment. Also, you will find the category where it says gift card. Tap on it. Now enter your gift card number and then the PIN. Once you have entered, tap on Apply. Once you tap on Apply, your gift card will be redeemed successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can redeem or use Indigo gift card online. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.